Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all the 13,000 subscribers who have supported me till date. Presently I am having around 650 plus technical videos for all the various machineries on board the ship, and presently having more than 1.3 million views. So today I will like to say something about the membership perks. So the first level is Marine Tech Hub level number 1. So pricing is $299 per month, and in this level you will be able to see all the machineries concerned with class 4, and you will have question answers and other thing required for the interview, and also I will be giving you tips for the joining of different companies. I will be helping you out in that. So next level is Marine Tech Hub level 2, where I will be mostly dealing with second engineers with respect to main engine, different types of main engine, and also I will be explaining about the latest electronic engine. So you will be able to get all the videos in that. And level number 3 is Marine Tech Hub level number 3 is $799 per month. In this I will be able to give you all the troubleshooting of various machineries, main engine, boiler, generator, IG, all the troubleshooting which you may not be able to solve whatever they are given in the book. More than that I will be giving you, and I will be very thankful if you get the membership and help me to have a better understanding with my subscribers. And if you have any doubt, let me know and message me if you want anything. Thank you very much. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to explain about the pressure transmitter used on board the ship on the manifold. So this pressure transmitter is new one, and this is the old one. So this pressure transmitter output supply will be 4 to 20 milliamps. It can measure minimum of 16 bar to 50 bar here. The supply voltage will be 12 to 26 volt DC. It can withstand a temperature of minus 30 to plus 70 degrees. So we have an amplifier here. This is the one which is the amplifier. So this amplifier can be, if it is not working, it can be repaired and sent to the factory. So this is one important thing. So in the new pressure transmitter you can see the circuit diagram here, 1, 2, 3, 4, where 1 and 2 are connected by a red cable here. So that is for the display. Suppose you want to have a display, you can remove this red wire, connect plus and minus to the display to get the pressure reading on the display. Whereas 3 and 4 is you can supply 24 volts to this with a ohm meter connected, which I have explained before. So you will be able to measure 4 and 20 milliamps. Then you got a earth connection. So very important thing is that make sure it is calibrated. If it is normally from the factory, it will be calibrated. So if it's calibrated, it will be calibrated to minimum of 16 bar, not maximum. So if it is calibrated, if you want to calibrate for 50 bar, you can do on board the ship. So normally this pressure transmitter is a bridge resistance silicon sensor. So you have an amplifier which is a integrated circuit for which will amplify the signal. Normally we use a venting tube in this, which will measure the atmospheric pressure. So venting must be clear. So I will explain to you how the venting is. You can see here the small tube. This is for the venting arrangement, and this is the signal coming from the bridge resistance silicon sensor. So you can see this is the diaphragm where you need to put the pressure. When the pressure is increasing, the resistance will change and the signal will be amplified, and this connection will be connected here to this, and this is what you have to do. This is the zero adjustment, this is the span adjustment. You need to give supply in these two, plus and minus. This electronic thing can go bad, you can send it to the factory and get it repaired, this one. So this is very costly, around maybe $800 to $1000. So if you have any doubt on the pressure transmitter, how it's working, next video I'll be telling you how to connect and test it. If you have any doubt, you can message me. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.